Hi everyone, it's Pam, and I have a tip for you today that quite a few of us might not know that it's there. So, what happens if you made a mistake and you decided, you know what, I just need to start all over, or you're like, yeah, I liked the other version I had about an hour ago, or something like that, right? Well, you can. You can go back in your history of the design and go to the save. So let me go ahead and show you that. So you're in your design, you go to file right up in the left hand side, upper, and then you go down and you just go down. This is a pro feature though, sorry. Um, but if you want to try Pro for 30 days, I have a link. You can try it for 30 days for free whenever you want. But anyways, this it is a Pro feature, which is yet another reason why I love my Pro. Okay, so then you just click on this, and then you'll go down. And don't worry, I made a copy of this so that I don't mess it up. Okay, so it goes all the way. I mean, I worked on it for a day, but I worked on it for a couple hours. Okay, so what if I wanted to go back to this time? It brings it up. There's only 4 pages. We can go through them. But yeah, I only have 4 pages of them. And then go up here, and it looks like, oh, I still have 4 pages. Let's see. Okay, now we're up to 15. So I've added more stuff in here. So you can keep going all the way from when you started throughout the time that you have worked on it. And then right up here, you just click on restore this version, or you can make a copy, which that might be the best thing. So that's a nice little feature as well. Okay, there we go. Tip Tuesday. Restore the versions. Okay, bye.